Okay, hello everyone. My name is Eden. I go by Jewish Trader. I already did a trading breakdown for this day for 13 February. But as I figure it out after 40 minutes of contact that I go trade by trade, 5 different trades, I found out that my microphone was off. So here I do it again. I have everything write it down on my right. Maybe I'm going to add something later. Um, I'm going to do it again. Now microphone on, everything is okay. So let's do it over. Maybe it's going to take less than 40 minutes. Okay, so first of all, I'm talking about the trading I took on 13 February 2025. I took 5 trades at this day. I look on news for this day. First of all, I start with the calendar. Look at the calendar. Let's go. Okay. Thursday is on Thursday, February 13. We had I call it red news because it's on red color. We had on JPP, GTP month to month, and then we have a bunch of news on USD that related to gold. In my time, Israel time is 3:13. We have core PPI, unemployment claims. President Trump speaks. We had a lot of things, a lot of volatile, a lot of danger, a lot of things that involve in at the same moment. So let's see what I did, what was my entries, what was my executions, and let's start with the first trading. Trading time, it was 8 a.m. 8:45 until 9 a.m. Now I'm doing something new. If I have news in the afternoon, like in 3:13, so I usually like to trade pre-London and London opening, and then wait again 1 hour after the news come up to find a setup. Okay, so let's speak about the first trade. First of all, I want to say the mistake that I mentioned to myself here in this note. Took short above the red line. What does it mean? That I have a red line. Red line is basically the line, my bias line. It means if the price is above the line, it means I'm looking for buy. You see, gold, buy badge. So this bias I'm determined by the daily candle, the daily time frame, and I copy the line to the 30 minute so I can follow it. Okay, so my bias on gold at this day was buy. Let's see what I did. My mistake. Mistake was that I took a short. I took short on this trade, 15-minute trade. Let's moving on a little bit. In a moment we have a new 30-minute candle. As I see, first of all, stall confirmation that 30-minute candle close hammer, close very bullish. Let's see what I'm doing next. The new 30-minute is retraced back to my entry point, and I made a decision to close almost on break even and on a very very minority loss. So outcome, I wrote down break even. Mistake took short above the red line when I'm supposed to look for buy confirmation. Where is my trading file? Let's move on to the second trade. Second trade, as I see, I took a buy position. Buy position because we have this strong bullish candle is support my bias. Buy. We have this line, this support line. We have one bullish candle that closed inside the zone, another bullish candle that closed inside the zone and broke the previous high of the 30-minute candle and keep on the low and also keep this line level. So I apply a buy position. Let's see what happen next. It's very important to say it was on half hour after London opening. Let's check it out. Let's see that I'm sure. Am I right? It was almost London opening. Yes, I took this trade on 9:35 and I closed this trade on 9:40. I write down for myself what I could do better. First note, wait the price touch the line for better entry, to wait, and the second note, to wait for the 2th 30-minute candle to close. Let's see what happened and then I will explain why I say this. Outcome, loss by stop loss. Okay, so I'm on buy on gold. Here this is gold. We have first of all, I had a better chance. I had a better entry to take. I could wait, as I said, the price to touch the line and then execute the buy position. Okay. I got stop out by stop loss got hit. Eventually, as I remember, it was a good call because in the next video you will see the price reach over here. So I eliminate myself from a bigger loss, and for me the trigger for the price go against me if I am on buy. If the price break the previous low of the 30-minute candle, I want to be out. Okay, let's move on to the third entry. Trading time 12 until 1:15. 1 hour and 50-minute trade. 1 hour 50-minute trade. Let's see what was my note was, what I could do better. Put a stop loss below the line and not the 30-minute candle. I will explain it just a second. Not to take trades on 12 p.m. Equal no volume. Not to expect the price to make good move when it's lost time to news. Great. So I want to explain the first note. Put a stop loss below the line and not the 30-minute candle, because I said the previous entry that I want to look for an exit if the prices break the low of the 30-minute candle, but in this situation I will explain myself. Let's move on with this video. Let's see what happened. Here we see I have a bit of profit. It did got in my way, but is not was like the place I expected the price to go, but I really do had a good confirmation that the 30-minute candle did keep on the low of the previous one and close out this, close inside the zone, close inside the zone, and we have another 30-minute candle that look bullish. So I had a little bit positive feeling about this trade. Not feeling is what the chart and the price action show me. So here I was really in the thing that the price is going my way, but another bullish candle and another one, and eventually I will stop out on break even. So what do I mean that okay, is stuck? Let's upload it again. What do I mean by keeping a stop loss below the line? For me, this line is an agreement. What is been an agreement is if the price keep above and not close below the line, it means that is have a chance to continue up. So if my stop loss is already here, very close to the line, so the safer zone for me to put my stop loss and be sure that if my stop loss got hit, so it means that price is eventually not going completely in my way, is below this line, not here, below this line, little bit below the previous 30-minute candle, and let's say look on the 4th trading. Pay attention that the third and the fourth is very close by time. I close the third position on 152 and I re-enter again on 2 p.m. So let's see what happened. So I re-enter, and now I also took a sell on GJ. Sell on GJ, as I said, mistake I took when I set buy batch. Buy batch is mean that my buy for GJ is buy, but GJ show very good, very strong and very supportive price action for sell. So I took the chance. For me, I see it as a mistake. I shouldn't took this trade, even though I saw the opportunity, but I needed to let it go and not put a trade. So I'm going to roll this video twice, one on GJ, one on gold, because we have two separate positions. So let's pay attention to the right side. GJ, we have a fake out, we have a bearish close, another bearish candle, the close outside of the zone, and what I spoke about the line agreement is here, and my stop loss is right below the previous 30-minute candle and is also above the line. So if the price is gonna break again and cross this line, is close the sell agreement. It means the price have potential to continue up, but as we will see, the price respect the line, respect the levels, and continue down. Let's focus on GJ. Let's roll it. In certain level I put a trail stop and I was out a bit earlier than I was thinking. But in the next video, in the 5 TH entry, you will see that the price reach all the way here on GJ. So for me, put a trail stop, it was a coward action. If you know your trade, as I said that in the previous video, the mic was wrong, was damaged. I said that this is a coward action. You need to know your level. You need to see that you have very good level, very good sell price action on the 15 minute. The price keep on the respect the high of the previous 15 minute candle. You have a beautiful steps down. At least I should keep my take profit here, not put a trail stop, for my honest opinion about myself. Let's move on to gold. Gold, we see we broke here, broke inside the zone. Another bullish candle, bullish candle, bearish, another bullish. For me is a buy indication. For me is like is a good thing to do, good entry. Let's see what happened. Okay, gold, I see that the price retraced against me, go in my entry and I just close it manually. What I supposed to do is to keep stop loss below the line and let the price do his own. And let's see the 5 TH trading. Okay, I remember what I wanted to say about gold and why I closed gold position. Now I remember the problem that I didn't write it down on my note. Why did I close gold position after it go a little bit against me and then go on my entry point, and then I close and break even? And why is that? Because it was 2 p.m. and 2 p.m. was very close to the news that we had at this day. As I said, we have the core PPI, BPI, unemployment claim, and President Trump later on. So my idea is that if we have like very important news on 3:30, like in the afternoon, so usually I'm not going to expect the price to do his real move, like real go to the direction. Like, don't expect the price to do much. If you place a buy position, don't expect the price to go really far away. Most likely, or is going against you, or is going to consolidate. It's not going to really go somewhere because something is coming. Something is going to happen soon. So there is like uncertainty, not here and not here. Like but the potential, if you place a position, you're going maybe, in my opinion, is to lose. In my experience, is to lose. So this is why I close this trade, and I'm going to see on the next and the final trade that it was a great call. Remember, the price was below these two lines, and the second and final trade that I took on 4:30 and I closed 10 minutes later on 4:45. It happened 1 hour after the news come up. So after the news come up, I looked for a buy opportunity because the price were above the buy zone. So we had a bullish momentum, we had the support, we had the price touch the zone, close inside the zone, we had another bullish candle that close inside the zone, and then I apply a buy, I execute a buy position, and was a successful trade that whoop up all the 48 mistake I did at the same day. Mistakes. As we see, the price keep on respect the low of the previous 30-minute candle and move up. Very nice, to the next line. Very nice. Keep on the later on I was out already. The gold reached here and move a little bit up after that. And here I close my position. So the best thing I could do is only to trade on pre-London and London opening, and after that, after 11 a.m., not looking for any trades until 1 hour before the news come up. So you let a little bit the price to stabilize and you look for entry. Of course, by the book, by your rules. So that's it. I believe it was a shorter, I cut it in half. The last video took 40 minutes, this took 20 minutes. So that's it. I hope that my microphone is okay. I'm going to do it more. I'm going to upload those videos and do it also on my stream. I just need to book it on the stream schedule. So that's it. Again, my name is Eden. I go by JewishTrader. I trade from Monday to Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, Tuesday. That's it. Goodbye, take care, see you in the next breakdown video. Bye.